Alright, welcome. Let's make a patty melt. So, basically if a grilled cheese and a burger had a baby. Start off by dicing up a Serrano pepper or a jalapeno. You do you. Just to give it some flavor. Dice quarter of an onion, can be white, can be red, can skip it all entirely. Up to you, but I like it. Take a good old handful of ground beef, mash it down a little bit, season it with salt, pepper, garlic powder, chili powder, your onions, your pepper goes in. Mix it up well into a patty. There you go. Now, you want your patty to be flat with a small indentation on the top and bottom, and that way it'll cook evenly without shrinking up and bubbling. Into the pan, this is ceramic, it's non-stick, medium heat, or use oil if you're using stainless or whatever. Cook your patty till it's almost done, and then pull it out. Get 2 slices of white bread, spread some mayo on both sides on the interior, and layer it up with cheese. I'm using cheddar, you use whatever you want. Put your burger on, now add your sauce. I'm using Sweet Baby Ray's because it's one of my favorites. There we go. Top it off with a little bit more cheese and put the top bread on. There you go. Now pan back on medium heat, tablespoon of butter. See, tablespoon like I said. Melt it. And 1 to 2 minutes on the side. Make sure it's laying flat so it toasts evenly. When the bottom's toasted, go ahead and flip her once. Ooh, perfect. Squish down, look at the sauce and cheese melt together. And remember friends, pull out on time, as always. Cheers!